Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. This video will be a review on State Farm Drive Safe and Save. Should you enroll in State Farm's Drive Safe and Save program? If you're a State Farm auto insurance customer, you may be wondering whether it's worthwhile to enroll in their Drive Safe and Save program. This provides policy discounts based on monitoring your driving habits. But first, what is Drive Safe and Save? This is a usage-based or telematics car insurance program. By installing their app or using a compatible Ford or Lincoln vehicle, they monitor your driving habits. Good, low-risk driving like responsible speeding, braking, acceleration, and phone use earns you a discount up to 30% on your auto insurance. This allows State Farm to accurately price based on actual driving behavior data indicating your risk, rather than just traditional factors like age, location, and driving history. Usage-based programs like Drive Safe and Save are growing in popularity among top insurers. But how exactly does it work, and could it actually save you money? With Drive Safe and Save, you have two options for letting State Farm monitor your driving. The first is to download their free smartphone app. Register your vehicle and keep the app active when driving. This allows them to track metrics through your phone sensors. If you own a 2020 or newer Ford or Lincoln vehicle, it can automatically transmit driving data to State Farm without even needing an app. At each 6-month policy renewal period, they analyze your driving metrics and determine your personalized discount for up to 30%, adjusted from the prior period. You obtain the discount percentage based on meeting low-risk criteria for acceleration, braking, cornering speed, and overall speeding. There is also the phone distraction and the amount of driving that you do. However, they do guarantee that you'll get at least a 5% discount just for enrolling in Drive Safe and Save, so there is no downside risk of your rate increasing. And now onto the driving habits that Safe and Save track. The first one is acceleration. Fast, aggressive acceleration correlates to higher accident risk. Gentler acceleration earns you points towards a discount. Second one is hard braking. Frequent hard braking also suggests riskier driving and reduces your discount rate, whereas smooth braking boosts your score. On number 3, we have cornering. Taking corners rapidly at high speeds increases your chances of an accident, lowering your discount eligibility. And then we have the obvious one, which is speeding. Driving faster than the speed limit is directly linked to higher crash rates, so this definitely will negatively impact your savings. Phone use. Phone distractions dramatically increase accident risk. Avoiding handheld phone use while driving improves your discount. And finally, we have the miles driven. Higher mileage drivers have greater exposure on the roads, but mileage impact on your rate is fairly minimal. Essentially, all high-risk behaviors like rapid acceleration, hard braking, and the ones we just covered reduce the Drive Safe and Save discount that you can potentially receive. But State Farm won't penalize you by increasing your rate. The worst case scenario is you getting only 5% off for enrollment, which is not all that bad. State Farm makes the Drive Safe and Save discounts that you can earn very attractive. You're guaranteed at least a 5% discount just for enrolling in the program. This requires no active driving data. Driving with excellent low-risk habits can earn up to a 30% discount after each 6 months review period. Discounts recalculate at each renewal based on your latest driving activity. In addition, they promise Drive Safe and Save will only reward you through discounts off your rate, even if your driving is high risk. It will never increase your premiums due to the program. So at minimum, it's an easy way to put 5% back in your pocket, and drivers who avoid speeding or harsh braking, etc., they could save hundreds per year. So should you enroll in Drive Safe and Save? Here are some key considerations. If you're already a State Farm customer, then enrolling is likely a smart move. You have nothing to lose and at least lock in a 5% discount. And as mentioned before, responsible driving earns you substantially more over time. However, if you dislike being monitored, then you can simply opt out. Drive Safe and Save is completely voluntary, but keep in mind you forgo potential savings. And if you drive much, then infrequent drivers likely won't see a major discount, but it's still a chance for some savings with little monitoring. However, if your insurance needs are simple, those with perfect records and no incidents may find better value in other discounts like Safe Driver or defensive driving courses. Monitor your rate over time versus effort required. Also, keep in mind that driving data is transmitted to State Farm. They claim not to sell it, but still a personal choice regarding privacy. So with that in mind, if you're ready to give Drive Safe and Save a try to start potentially lowering your car insurance costs, simply head over to App Store or Google Play Store and download the Drive Safe and Save application. It's completely free. Open the app and register for an account with your policy and contact info. Accept the terms and conditions for allowing driving data monitoring. Then turn on background app refresh and location services so monitoring is activated. It will ask you to add your vehicle information like the VIN number and the mileage. Then you just simply start driving safely with the app open to begin logging trips and building your discount. And that's all it takes to get going. Just drive normally while keeping the app active and State Farm handles the rest, assessing your discount every 6 months. So overall, State Farm's Drive Safe and Save program provides an excellent opportunity to guarantee savings on your auto insurance just for driving more carefully. For State Farm customers wanting more control over rates through good driving habits, it's certainly worth enrolling in Drive Safe and Save. Drive responsibly and watch your discount grow. As always, if you have any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comment section down below. And if you found this video to be informative or helpful to watch, let us know by giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we create.